I'm just gonna wander for a little bit up and down this aisle. I see something interesting, I'll stop and look at it. At least interesting to me. You guys might be like, wait, stop. But just keep on walking because I'll find a lot of interest in it at this moment. But doesn't mean things aren't interesting. I just sometimes walk past stuff and not notice it. My wife says that all the time. A nice little old Dodge. What's left of it. You can't find a project to work on in this place. You can't find a project. Biggest problem about coming here to find a project, however, would be getting them to agree to a price that you would want to pay for it. But a lot of the sheet metal down here, it's not rusty. I moved here from Minnesota myself. You don't find clean sheet metal up there like you can find down here. It's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing how clean it is. Man, it's beautiful out today. Gotta enjoy it. Just a nice walk through all these forgotten gold, I would say. I know a lot of people don't really care for those early 50s Dodges. I really do. I don't know what it is about them to me. They're starting to grow on me. Done a lot of Chevy trucks, like 47 through 53 versions. I built quite a few of them. Never did one of the Dodges yet. I'm thinking sometime in the future I'm gonna put one of them Dodges together. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Something like this yellow one here. That's about what I would start with. Don't need a chassis. Underneath that, I'd probably throw a Dakota or something. That way you'd have the modern drivetrain and suspension with the old body. That would be cool. Or this cream colored one here. That'd be a good body donor too, to throw on a different truck. Just leave it like that as far as how it looks. Love the patina on them. Alright, there you go, guys. Please like, share my page. Alright, the more of you that do that, the more I can feel motivated to produce more videos. Alright, thanks, guys.